$300 each month into an account, earning 3% interest compounded monthly. We're going to calculate how much money we'll have in the account in 25 years using the annuity formula. In this case, our deposit, D, each month is $300. Our annual rate is 3%. Percent is out of 100, so that's 3/100. K is our periods per year. Since we're compounding monthly, K is 12. And we're going to do this for 25 years. Let's try this using a spreadsheet. So our payment amount is $300. Our interest rate is the yearly rate of 3%. Since we're compounding monthly, that's 12 periods per year. I'm going to do that for 25 years. Now I have the future value set here to calculate using two different formulas. One is the future value formula from the spreadsheet. For an annuity, that's the formula FV, and it requires the rate. Now that's the periodic rate. The periodic rate is always the interest rate divided by the number of periods per year. Next thing we need to enter is the number of periods total. That's always the periods per year times the number of years. Next, we enter the payment amount. Now here, we have a payment of $300 each month. We enter a negative, so the final result is positive. And we're starting with a present value of 0. Alternatively, we can use the annuity formula. Now, in this case, we want to use parentheses carefully. So I have an outer parentheses for the numerator times the monthly payment, and I have another parentheses for the denominator. The spreadsheet needs that same thing. So B1 is my periodic payment, my monthly payment, and then I multiply by parentheses for the numerator, which starts and ends up to the slash. Inside that parentheses, we need another parentheses for the base of the power. The base is always 1 plus the periodic rate. Periodic rate is always the yearly rate divided by the periods per year. The power is always the number of years times the number of periods per year. And in this case, we divide by, and the parentheses are necessary here for the denominator, the periodic rate, which is the yearly rate divided by the number of periods per year. So here we have an amount, $133,802.35. So we know the answer to our first question. So here's our answer to part A. For part B, we want to know how much money total was put into the account. Well, we'd put in $300 every month for 25 years. So let's check with the spreadsheet. So for our total payments equals, to make the calculation, $300 times 12 times per year times 25 years. So we paid $90,000 at 3% interest per month per year, 12 months in a year for 25 years. We have a total amount of $133,802.35. So our profit in this case is going to be our future value take away what we paid in. So that means we made $43,802.35. So how much money did we put into the account? We made that calculation here. That was our 90,000. And the total interest is the difference between our future value and what we paid in. So the 90,000 is our answer to part B. And our answer to part C would be the difference of the two, $43,802.35. Spreadsheet's very useful here.